So this is gonna be a quick video. So if you have a Mercedes, what's this, a E300, so it's a W213, and you can't open the trunk, not even with your leg, not even with your key. The car is unlocked, but it will not open. Even with this button, it's not gonna open. So basically, nothing happens. Anything you're gonna do, you can try with this one. Put the key fob, remove your key from here. Basically, push this button and get this one and try to put it in. Like this, and it's gonna open it. But the problem actually, it's not in this lock here. The fix is actually really easy. So let's see. Again, it's not working. So the problem is actually here in the glove box. In the glove box, you have actually this valet lock. Unlock it. Now everything would work. So let's see. Yep, let's see. My foot works. Yep. So let's see if it's working. Yep. So all good. So that's how you fix it. Go to Mercedes to fix it.